What's going on, guys? Let me introduce you to this free beach in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. So to get there, from traveling from Kingston, you will take the Edward Seaga Highway. So this shot was taken while I was at the border between St. Catherine and St. Anne, as I was traveling from Kingston. Just a quick tip: while taking this highway, the Edward Seaga Highway, it may actually rain, but this is a regular occurrence. But never be deterred by it because it may be rainy here and very bright and sunny in Ocho Rios or St. Anne, so push along. A pleasant surprise to this beach is the fact that it has fresh water running to it. I'm not entirely sure, but I think this fresh water is the same fresh water that is shared by Duns River Falls. And here it is, the lovely Ocho Rios Bay Beach. So earlier I had mentioned that it is a free beach, but I'm not exactly sure if it is free every day of the week and if it is free to tourists. I actually came here on a weekday and I was allowed to enter without paying a charge. So please double check on that. As I did some research online and some persons were saying that they paid $2 or $3, well, US of course, 2 to 3 US dollars to enter, which is not much. As you can see, the beach is pretty clean. There's no garbage. It is clearly well kept. So having to pay $3, I would definitely pay $3. It's a small fee to enjoy all this beauty. Nesket Beach, it has bathrooms as well that are in good condition. It's for a nice, quiet day. I personally prefer to go to the beach during the week. The crowds are not there. But one thing to note, as this is in Ocho Rios, you want to go when there are no tourists coming in on any cruise. I have nothing against the tourists for sure, but if you want to enjoy it on a quiet day without the crowds, whether from tourists or regular local Jamaicans, going on a weekday may be a good bet for sure, as locals are at work and the tourists are not here in such great numbers, of course. Another great thing about this beach is the fact that it is kids friendly, so families can take their children here, as it is not too deep. Children will love to play in the sun and have a fun time in the water as well. It's definitely a kids friendly beach. Now let's check out some of the scenery at the Ocho Rios Bay Beach. Quick question. What would a day at the beach be without having some seafood? Not a good day at the beach, right? So yes, I actually had some of the seafood on sale. So I had some curry fish. It was really good. So after filling my stomach with that lovely curry fish, I decided to take a drive into Ocho Rios town. Let us just see what the town is like during the week. So I decided to take a drive and show you. Comment below if you recognize any of these stores or this street. Leave us a comment below. Oops, please disregard that finger. You know how to drive and handle the dash cam as well. We've come to the end of another video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell, leave us a like, comment, and share. Thank you.